How to manage notifications on the REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to manage notifications on REDnote app. So now, let's get started. The first step is to launch the REDnote app on your mobile device. Now when you are on the app, just simply tap the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on Settings. Now from the settings, navigate to Notification Settings. Here in the Notification Settings, you can adjust everything according to your preference. Here you can toggle on or off different types of notifications such as likes, followers, comments, chats, live reminders, and many more. In here, your changes will be saved automatically once toggled on or off. So this is how to manage notifications on the REDnote app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.